we're recording the sewer line here at 4919 Woodlawn Avenue North, the Waldorf School. What you're looking at now is the Seattle City main, about 110 feet out from the middle toilet in the bathroom that I'm recording from. When I arrived on site today, the sewer was clogged. I cabled it, cleared the clog, came back with some roots. Now we're doing the camera inspection. So I'll pull back from here and take a look. So anything coming back from what we're looking at right now is the responsibility of the property owner. So as we come back, we're going to be in 6-inch clay pipe. So that red pipe there, orange pipe, that's clay, which holds up good over the years, but it does allow roots to come in. So you see every 3 feet there's a seam. That's where the roots will come in. You see little minor ones coming in here. They get bigger as we come back and get into the smaller diameter pipe. So we're in 6-inch now. Come back at some point into 4-inch, and that's what causes the issues. So the clog today occurred at about 58 feet. There's a pretty good sized root there. Here's a section of plastic pipe. So at some point, this was dug up and replaced. This section from about 74 feet. Looks like they might have put a clean out there too. So here's our 4x6 transition. So 6-inch pipe, you'll see we kind of come up over a lip here. Boom, we're in 4-inch pipe now. So this is this little smaller diameter pipe, which clogs up easier. So this is about a 6-7 foot section of pipe that was replaced, and a clean out was installed. The clog occurred upstream of that. So come back, see small roots. That's where the clog occurred. So pretty good sized root there. Another good size one right there. And a big old one there. So it was one of the 3 of those that caused the clog. Another good one there. Let me rotate the camera. Side of the screen there, you see on the top of the pipe it's starting to deteriorate. There's actually a chunk of pipe kind of missing there. That's a spot to keep an eye on. And we're coming back. So right here at about 25, 26 feet, coming back inside the building. So this is plastic pipe that's been replaced. We're underneath the floor of the bathroom right now. And coming up, we got a root stuck on the end of the camera. That's one that we cut out already. So all this plastic is good, so don't worry about that. Once you get out to that clay, the clay line where the roots start coming in, there's a couple ways we can take care of that. A liner to eliminate those seams. A jetter would be highly recommended to at least cut out those roots back further to buy some more time in between backups. But your permanent solution is a liner, pulling a sleeve through that pipe and eliminating those seams. All right, I'm going to stop the recording there.